So hello guys, welcome to my channel Cloud Home Insider, and today I bring another video on roadmap cloud computing 2025. So let's get started with the roadmap. This is the roadmap that is more focused on practical use case, how you apply your hands-on experience in cloud computing using any kind of public cloud providers like Azure, as the AWS, GCP. So let's get started. First of all, the basics knowledge you have to, the key topics you have to learn, that is cloud service models and cloud deployment models. Okay, the first of all service models are infrastructure as service, platform as service, and software as service. They have, like, as per the, like, what will be managed by the service provider and the what will be managed by the user. Depend upon that, this service model is classified. And next thing is deployment model: public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud. So public providers are AWS, Azure, Oracle. This is a public service provider. And a private, you make all your own data center, uh, then that is your private cloud. And hybrid means you use public and private simultaneously. Your secure data store in private cloud, and any kind of public data save in uh, our public service provider. So in multi-cloud, you use multiple public service provider like Azure and AWS simultaneously. That is multi-cloud. So what, after basic knowledge, what knowledge you have to understand? So first of all, you need to understand a basic Linux networking command. Linux is the must for cloud computing. So what required in network and security? So first of all, virtual private networks, VPC, like subnet, firewalls, load balancer, IAM, identity access management, and encryptions. This thing you should manage in cloud service providers. Like you go to cloud console, and this thing will be managed by you only. Then what next you have to understand? Core service practical implementation. So next, let's go to get the core service practical implementation. The thing is required, first of all, compute services. First services is EC2 instance. Okay, in AWS you require EC2 instance. EC2 instance is elastic compute cloud. This compute cloud, like, it is a normal instance. It is like a hypervisor. It is a type 1 hypervisor. You you use this service using AWS, GCP, or Azure to deploy your application, and this is under infrastructure as service. And next is our storage solutions. What are the storage solutions provided by the service providers? S3, simple storage, uh, simple secure storage. And next is block storage. And next is, for Azure, there is a block storage. And GCP, cloud storage. And next you require monitoring and login. Monitoring, to monitor your applications, monitor your serverless applications, any kind of you attach to your monitoring, like any kind of, like, hard any kind of, like, your CPU utilizations increase, so you can monitor. If the CPU utilization increase, you can send a notification to you, so that you're he having a high, if the instance facing high number of traffic, you can send a notification to you to get notified that your instance facing high number of traffics. So let's go to the advanced cloud concept. I have also make a video on uh, like DevOps roadmap. You can watch that also. The next thing is serverless computing. Serverless computing is the next thing. Like, you no need to manage any kind of infrastructure, all this. you just deploy your application over there. You just deploy or you just write your code and the code will be run. The next thing is containerization and orchestration. In containerization, you use ECS, elastic compute, elastic container services, and EKS, elastic kubernetes services from AWS, and GKS from Google Cloud Platform, and AKS from Azure, and some of the DevOps integrations like AWS code pipeline, code build. Although code pipeline or code build side are disappear in AWS, I think so. Then Azure DevOps. It is Azure DevOps provide all the thing, like you have registry and you build a pipeline and all the stuff. And this is the cloud computing roadmap for 2025. This is very practical roadmap. If you have any kind of issue, any kind of data, any kind of doubts, you can comment down. Thank you.